Hello and welcome to Nimulus channel, and today in this video I'll show you how to fix this app has been blocked for your protection error in Windows 10. So before starting video, if you are new in this channel then hit subscribe button. So let's start our video without wasting time. So first of all, go to start menu and open registry editor and just change these few settings. So after performing all these steps, just restart your PC and your error will be fixed.